Everyone, it's Tuesday. That means another episode in my Improve Yourself series. I want to talk to you about your dead end job. Yes, the one that you do not like to go to. You hate your alarm clock because it makes you wake up to get to it, and you are laying in bed and you're thinking, is it Saturday yet? So yes, that dead end job. I think you can relate. When it comes to your dead end job is your purpose and finding your purpose within your job. So once you found your purpose, the next thing you need to do if you have a dead end job and you're not applying your purpose to your life, you need to start applying it. So I'll give you a couple examples. My what I believe my purpose is and what my goal is to help people change their attitudes to live a better life. And you know, over the past year, basically it's October tomorrow, so basically the last 13 months, I've had 5 to 6 jobs. I've been a janitor at a college, and I've been a general manager to being here today as a life development coach, and I have my own business with teaching fitness classes. Um, so my purpose is to help people and more directly help people change their attitudes. But as a janitor, I was working third shift overnight, so I wasn't able. I was around nobody, so I wasn't able to help change anybody's minds. But I was still able to help people because I was cleaning the bathrooms. It was grand. But I was still able to help them because, everyone needs a clean place to do their thing. So, I took my purpose and I broke it down a little bit and I used it, in each of my jobs, and I was able to, still focus on what my purpose was and using that towards helping myself get to where I am today, because by using my purpose in different areas and not just helping people change their attitudes, it gave me a different perspective on how I can help people. And so with having multiple jobs and multiple levels from janitor to manager, it gave me an opportunity to use what my purpose is on different stages. And now I have multiple experiences that will help me in the future. So what you need to do in your dead end job or wherever you are is start applying your purpose. Whatever your purpose is, if you need to break it down a little bit, find your core purpose and apply that to your job. Even if it's cleaning the toilets for somebody, there's whatever your purpose is, you can kind of define it and break it down so you can use it in your everyday life. And this will help you. It'll give you a sense of fulfillment. It'll make you a little more happier, or a little happier to go to your job. You might not like that job, but you can get some joy and a sense of fulfillment out of it, even if it's not what you are going to do the rest of your life. So work to apply your purpose today to your job, and that will eventually carry over to allow you to do the job that you want to do in life, and again, apply your purpose. So today I talked about how your job today can be affected by your purpose, and until next time, keep on in life.